New with you. We made a deal with ChatGPT, and we're going to be using it in our military with the Department of War.
Claude is now #1 AI tool in the world.
The US government just banned one of the biggest AI companies in the world. It all started when Anthropic, the company that makes the Claude AI, received a massive $200 million contract from the Pentagon. They demanded unrestricted access to their AI for military purposes. But Anthropic's CEO literally said no. He drew two massive red lines. He refused to let the military use his AI for mass surveillance on Americans, and he refused to let them build fully autonomous weapons without humans in control.
And Donald Trump accidentally made that happen. Definitely accidentally, because he was trying to ruin them and it backfired at him.
Thank you for joining us, Mr. President. This was a major decision. What was going through your mind when you made it?
Bing, bing, bong, bong, bing, bing, bing.
And now that you've started this whole situation, do you have a plan for what comes next?
Not even a little bit.
Okay. Well, so far you've hit nuclear facilities, missile defenses. What do you want to destroy the most?
The Epstein files.
Okay, I understand. Yeah, I understand. I agree. Now,
I don't care if you love Donald Trump or hate him. This video is not about that. This video is not to spread hate. Although I know that Donald Trump has a lot of controversy and it's going to be very hard for me to make this video. But as much as I hate it, there's something to learn from that president.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
This is about what we can extract from seeing someone's brand play out in real life in an opposite way to how it's supposed to happen. Because Donald Trump's brand is definitely stronger than Claude, or is it?
Trump just branded Claude's makers a national security threat. Amode drew the line. No domestic mass spying, no fully autonomous kills. Pentagon slaps the Huawei label on them, bans every contractor 6-month phase out. Anthropic's suing. Altman drops the exact same deal hours later with technical safeguards and ships engineers to the Pentagon. And the public, Claude just hit #1 on the US App Store. Sub for daily lab tests on who actually survives this war.
Trump went after them publicly in tweets and said a bunch of stuff and basically asked people not to buy their stuff. At this point, what happened to Claude? Instead of them going down, their numbers skyrocketed to the roof. People flooded, including myself, canceled the subscription from ChatGPT and started the subscription with Claude instead. There's even some groups, many groups, that said no ChatGPT because they signed the deal with Trump. This is like a funny internet moment, to be honest. But it is a life demonstration of a case where branding can go horribly wrong, but also can go horribly right. Does that make sense? Wait, it'll make sense. Wait. Why is his brand creating chaos? That's what I keep thinking about. Honestly, I already know the answer to that. Chaos. But it's clear that there is a version of branding, bold branding, that creates equity, and there is a version of that actually burns it as well. And I think we saw that with Donald Trump. He built equity with his brand, but with the crimes. Guess what? Trump Steaks, Trump University, the casino that went bankrupt, the brand licensing deals that collapsed. This is what happens when a brand is attached to a name that doesn't deliver. And what started as unapologetic confidence that people respected even if they didn't agree with it necessarily starts to look like something else.
at first, Trump said that he'd defeat Iran very quickly, or as he put it,
Bing, 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 boom. It's gone. It's amazing.
he ordered a military campaign costing billions of dollars a day, or as he put it,
Bing, bing, bing. Missile launch, bing, boom.
But Iran closed the Strait of Hormuz and gas prices began to skyrocket, or as he put it,
They're like this, and we're like, ding, boom. This is me. I hear, bing.
other countries are refusing to help, so the U.S. has to do all the heavy lifting, or as he put it,
When Trump tweeted those mean stuff, it was meant to redirect attention from Claude. It did the opposite. It made millions of people change their opinion about Claude.
Obviously, the big controversy at the moment is Donald Trump wants to stop the investigation into Epstein's Island. And I think the reason he wants to do that, because he doesn't want people to know he wasn't invited.
way to make someone interesting is to have someone powerful oppose to them publicly. Claude did not run ads, did not run a campaign, did not do anything, did not even answer or make a drama about it. They just maintained their position, and someone else's noise did the work for them. But I'm not saying you should go and find someone powerful opposed to you. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is there is something to learn from this. The backlash effect is real. There is attention that flows towards the thing that's being attacked. And whether the attention converts into trust, into money, it entirely depends on what they find when they arrive. Anthropic had a strong product, a clear mission, a reputation that preceded the drama. So when people arrived, they stayed. So what does that mean for us, really? The hate and the criticism that you receive if you're building a business product, if you're building your personal brand, can be the best advertisement, the best free advertisement, if you're standing on a solid ground. If your product is good, your mission is clear, your personal brand has a lot of value. And that's the kind of brand that I want to build. No one wants hate, criticism, but it's coming anyway. If it's gonna come, let it come while I have a solid ground to handle. And let it bring some attention with it and some growth. So that's the thing that I want to leave you with. And as always, I'm on a journey to find my people, my community. And if that's you, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, drop a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what I should talk about next. And yeah, it will help me tremendously because I just started this channel and I'm still growing. And yeah, join the club, join the community. That's it. See you in the next one. Bye.